Thank you for playing with me. Thank you for buying new stuff for me. And everything else. Bye-bye. Love you.
Nakikita ko birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Puloy! Happy birthday, Puloy! Ayan ha, sinurprise ka namin. Pasensya ka na late. Kasi ang hirap mag-compile ng video. Just kidding. I hope na mapasaya ka namin ngayong araw kasi ikaw lang naman palagi nagpapasaya sa amin sa mga unexpected entrance ng mga joke mo. And I wish you na palagi ka masaya. At salamat kay God na sa mga tao na patuloy na nai-inspire sa pagiging tatay ng medyo laman ng pamilya. Joke. And I hope it's your the best day of your life ngayon. Happy birthday!
Hello, Puloy! Happy birthday, my dear brother! Wish ko lang long life, good health, and always be jolly as you are. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Puloy! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Tito Ruel. My wish for you is that you would always be safe and have a happy time with Siler, Kaiser, and Tati. And I wish you good luck on Tati's speech therapy, and also I pray that you are safe and continue basketball so that one day we could try play together in basketball, and maybe you could try beating Daddy. And I know you already beat Daddy in basketball, but maybe you could increase your winning score. And I pray that you'll become a good and strong parent and be a model example for Siler. Thank you. I love you, Pa.
Happy birthday, Pops. Wish ko lang good health always, and then continue to be a good husband, father to your children. God bless you always. Happy birthday!
Hello bro, happy birthday. We honor and respect you for being the best father to your children, Siler, Tati, and Kaiser. We wish you all the best and more health and more patience on everything that you do, and that we respect everything that you built for your family.
Happy birthday!
Hi Kuya! Thinking of you on your 40th birthday. And I would like to sing Happy Birthday Kuya! Happy birthday Kuya! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday Kuya! Kuya Puloy, on your 40th birthday, I wish you and your growing family the best of everything. Hope to see you all soon. I'm very proud of you and I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ruel. God bless you and your family.
Always.
Happy
Happy birthday!
Beo, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Puloy! Love you po!
Yung mga shooting natin dyan, Beo, yung kapabayaan.
Nagkukuskus pa! Boy kuskus!
Hello po Kuya Puloy. Happy birthday po. God bless. More blessing and more good health po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ruel. Wish you all the best po. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, Tito Poloy! Love you!
Happy birthday po, Tito Roel! Ingat po palagi! Basketball pa more!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Irwell, advance happy 40th birthday. Wish you all the best, good health, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, advance happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Well. Happy 40th birthday. God bless you and your family.
Happy 40th birthday, anak ko, Ruel S. Malubay. Maraming salamat na love you all. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Hanggang dulo ng langit. Maraming salamat pa. Pasensya na kayo. Naiyak lang ako kasi may mga bagay din ako nakita dyan sa inyo. Sige, salamat na sa kanila. Thank you. Happy birthday.